भव पुत्रान् विन्दामहे बहुस्ते सन्तु जरदृष्टाः. O my bride, my Sarah, now you are coming with the 4 steps. Now you are making me more and more rituals wise and everything wise a great man in my life. So I thank you very much. Now you are going to the 5th Rashi you call Om Prajabhya Panchamadi Bhava Samamruta Bhava Putrana Vindamahe Bhauste Santu Jaradhrishtaha. Now the 5th step which you have taken along with each other will be for your future generations to come. Now your future generations will come only when you are both mutually consent each other. Thank you very much. Have a step toward the 6th step. Om Ritubhya Shatpadi Bhava Samamruta Bhava Putran Vindamahe Bhauste Santu Jaradhrishtaha. Now Sarah, you are with each other. Now our 6 steps. Now I will be indebted to you. Samamruta Bhava Putran Vindamahe Santu Jaradhrishtaha. Now after this step, you have come in the 7th step.